In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members on Hostinger. If you want to let someone else help manage your Hostinger account without handing over your personal login details, the account sharing feature is the safest and most practical option. It allows you to invite another person, give them access through their own email address, and assign a role based on what they need to do. This is especially useful if you're working with a developer, designer, assistant, or anyone helping you manage your website or hosting settings. To begin, open your Hostinger account and make sure you're logged in to the correct dashboard. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're inside the account where you want to add the team member, especially if you manage more than one project. Once you're in, go to your profile area. You'll usually find this in the top section of the dashboard. Click on your profile to open the account-related settings and options. This is where Hostinger keeps the tools for managing your personal account preferences as well as access controls. From there, click on Account Sharing. This section is specifically designed for adding other users and controlling how they can interact with your account. If you've never used it before, take a moment to look over the page so you understand where invitations and permissions are managed. Next, click Give Access. This is the option that starts the invitation process. After clicking it, click it again if prompted to continue. Hostinger may open a form or confirmation window where you can enter the details for the person you want to invite. Now, enter their email address carefully. Make sure the email is correct, because this is where the invitation will be sent. If there's a typo, the other person may never receive the access request, and you'll have to repeat the process. After entering the email, select Assign Role. This step is important because the role determines what that team member will be allowed to see or manage inside the account. Choose the role that best matches the level of access they need. In general, it's a good idea to give only the permissions necessary for their work rather than full access unless it's absolutely needed. Once you've filled everything in, review the information one last time before sending the invitation. That way, you can confirm the email address and role are both correct. And that's how to add team members on Hostinger. It's a simple feature, but it can make collaboration much easier and more secure when multiple people need to help manage your hosting account.